Do you know what is International Zero Waste Month and why ESDO and GAIA celebrate it? International Zero Waste Month is a global initiative dedicated to raising awareness about the waste crisis and promoting sustainable living. Every year, the month encourages individuals and communities to adopt practices that reduce waste and minimize their environmental impact. In 2025, ESDO, in collaboration with GAIA, hosted a special workshop to celebrate International Zero Waste Month and empower the next generation of changemakers in Bangladesh. Aligned with International Zero Waste Month's core principles of inclusivity, action-oriented solution, and optimism, the workshop equipped young changemakers with the knowledge and the tools to become vocal advocates for a waste-free future. The event left both students and educators deeply inspired and united in their commitment to fostering a cleaner and greener world. Through thought-provoking conversations, students explored their role in achieving zero waste goals and effective strategies for minimizing plastic waste. The discussions underscored that zero waste is more than a concept. It is a collective movement requiring active participation from all. Engaging in hands-on activities allowed students to identify waste sources in their daily lives and discover innovative ways to reduce them. Teachers played a crucial role in motivating students to take ownership of their choices, reinforcing the importance of zero waste habits at school and at home. By the end of the event, both students and teachers were inspired and united in their commitment to fostering a waste-free future.